Want to read this one? Go for it, Kylie. Read loud and proud. This one right here. Sorry, number 5.
Candace's 3 dogs weigh 31 pounds, 18 and 26 pounds, and
21 over 2.
21 over 2 pounds. What decimal number represents the number of pounds Candace's dogs weigh altogether?
Okay. What am I going to do first? Eli, what am I going to do first?
Write down important information.
Very good. What am I solving? I'm going to turn my paper sideways so I have enough room. What am I solving for in this problem? Everybody.
How much
dogs
weigh altogether?
Yes. How much 3 dogs weigh together? All right, Mr. David. What's one thing that I need to know?
3 dogs weigh 31 pounds.
All right, so one of the dogs weighs 31 pounds.
Not one of the dogs. All of the dogs together.
No. It says
3 dogs.
3 dogs weigh 31 pounds, 18 and 2600 pounds, and 21 half pounds.
Oh, okay.
I'm looking for how much they weigh all together. So I have 31 pounds. What else would I need to know, Ashley? Amy? How about?
18.
Very good. Keep going.
Decimal 26.
Very good. 18 and 2600 pounds. What else do I need to know, KK?
One of the dogs weigh 21 over 2.
Yep, 21 half pounds. All right, do I need to know anything else?
Yep.
No. Okay, I want you to take 30 seconds to write the expression you would use to figure out how much they weigh all together. And I'm going to attempt to call on somebody if we cannot take 7-6 before I find somebody. No, 14. 10? Who's 10?
Chris.
Okay, so you're 10. Okay, 10. What is your expression for this problem?
31 plus 18 and 26 hundredths plus 21 halves.
I love how you said the place values on this one correct as well. Yes. Okay. Do we agree these are all numbers?
Yes.
Do we agree they're all the same type of numbers?
No.
No. So what do I need to do?
Turn a fraction into a decimal.
But why? There's not answer choices.
Well, it's because there's an answer chart that has a decimal.
There's a griddable. Can you put a fraction in a griddable?
No.
No. Now, if you're taking an online test, could you put a fraction into it if there are fraction boxes? Yes, brother, this is a griddable, right? So I need to turn my fraction to a
Grid.
decimal. So I'm going to go onto my paper so I have more room. I'm going to write the equation that I'm solving. who remembers how to turn a fraction to a decimal? Riley, what am I gonna do?
You have to divide it.
I have to divide. What does this line right here really mean?
Divide.
So it literally says 21 divided by 2. So I have to make sure when I set my problem up, it still says 21 divided by 2. Is that correct?
Yes.
Alright. I'm going to add my place value holders. Can 2 go into 2?
Yes.
How many times?
1,
If I put a 1 on top, what's going on the bottom?
2.
A 2. I subtract and get 0. Bring down my 1. After I bring down, what am I going to do?
Start over.
Start over. Can 2 go into 1?
No.
What am I putting up top?
0.
I put a 0 on top. What goes on the bottom?
0.
Subtract. I get 1. I have a remainder. Nothing else to bring down. Do I want a mixed number or a decimal number?
Decimal.
So what am I going to add to be able to keep dividing? Everybody.
Decimal
A
0.
decimal point and a 0. If I add a decimal point and a 0, I need to make sure I add another place value holder. When I bring down, I start over. Can 2 go into 10?
Yes.
How many times?
5.
Okay. Nothing else to bring down, no remainder, so now I need to
Put a decimal straight up.
bring it straight up. Now what?
Check it with
I'm
multiplication.
gonna check it with multiplication. Take my quotient times my divisor. 2 and 5 is 10. 2 and 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2. From the line to the decimal point, I go over how many place values?
1.
What about this one?
0.
Okay, so I'm moving it over a total of,
1.
does that give me my dividend?
Yes.
So I'm replacing 21 halves with
21 halves of
10 and 5
tenths.
very good, 10 and 5 tenths. Bring down the rest of the problem. What do I have to remember when I add decimals?
You need to add maybe like a decimal point to one of them that doesn't have like the decimal point.
So if I have a whole number without a decimal, I've got to add a decimal point. Aeroslaves have to line up my decimals, which lines up my place values. Okay, so I have a number without a decimal point. Is it going to go in front, in the middle, or behind?
Behind.
Behind. This 1 has to stay in the ones place. Okay, and then I have 18. What am I going to fill in right here, here, and here?
0.
Zeros. Does that change the value of my numbers?
No.
No. 6, 7, 9, 3,
5.
4, 5. So when I add all that together, I get
59 and 60. No.
59
and 76 hundredths.
very good. Hundredths what?
Pounds.
Okay, so I'm gonna go. Okay, now you have to grid it incorrectly. So go ahead and grid it in. And then we're gonna check if you gridded. I can't even say that. If you bubbled it incorrectly. If you wrote it and bubbled it incorrectly. These are one of those problems. If you do everything right, but you don't do it correct on the griddable, it is
Wrong.
wrong. Alright, did y'all get that?
Yes.
Questions?
Nope.
Comments?
No.
Concerns?
Yeah.
So there, you have concerns? Okay. So it's I turn a fraction to a decimal? Okay, how do I turn a decimal to a fraction? And put all of it together and just several pieces to stop and think about. But think of baby bites here, and put it all together. Cool?
Cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Coolio.